Hi, greetings from Fairhaven English Club. আজকের টপিকস হলো গুড লাক। আমরা প্রায় বলে থাকি উইশ ইউ গুড লাক অর বেস্ট অফ লাক, কিন্তু আমরা আরও অনেক সুন্দরভাবে বলতে পারি। এই জন্য রয়েছে অনেক ফ্রেজেস। আজকে আমরা এগুলো তুলে ধরব। Let's have a look. Wishing you a lot of luck. Wishing you a lot of luck. May the force be with you. May the force be with you. Best of luck. Best of luck. Break a leg. Break a leg. I hope everything will be alright. I hope everything will be alright. I hope everything will be alright. I hope things will turn out fine. I hope things will turn out fine. Blow them away. Blow them away. You will do great. You will do great. Knock them dead. Knock them dead. You are going to be amazing. You are going to be amazing. You are going to be amazing. Godspeed. Godspeed. Wishing you all the best. Wishing you all the best. I wish luck. I wish you luck. I wish you luck. Best wishes. Best wishes. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. You are made for this. You were made for this. I hope things will work out alright. I hope things will work out alright. Many blessings to you. Many blessings to you. Win a big time. Win a big time. Remember to subscribe. Please remember to subscribe. Go forth and conquer. Go forth and conquer. Go forth and conquer. Call on a higher power. Call on a higher power. Call on a higher power. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Many blessings to you. Many blessings to you. Be careful. Be careful. Have a blast. Have a blast. Live super long and prosper. Live super long and prosper. Go, blow them away. Go, blow them away. Buona fortuna. Buona fortuna. This is an Italian language phrases. It means good luck. Be a Viking. Be a Viking. My prayers are with you. My prayers are with you. My prayers are with you. I hope you win, buddy. I hope you win, buddy. Kick their asses. Kick their asses. Be your own boss. Be your own boss. May your efforts yield a positive result. May your efforts yield a positive result. Okay, thank you. If you feel you are going to be useful from this video, please subscribe my channel that I can make more amazing videos for you. Thank you. Have a best time.